Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power door locks, compass, power windows, heated driver's seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.